Hello everyone, and welcome to Maria Levy tutorial. This time about how to remove open to work on LinkedIn. I'm Marie, the CEO and founder of Maria Levy Ltd, the personal branding marketing agency that operates internationally for entrepreneurs and founders who wants to have visibility and spotlight on LinkedIn and become the authority in their field. We do it for them from A to Z, and I'm also founder of Digital Business College, where we can teach you how you can do it with different strategies and also how to scale your business with digital products. But now, let's get back to how you can remove open to work on LinkedIn. It can happen to everyone. You, for example, were looking for some job and right now you want to use it actually for your business because this is how you want to use the LinkedIn. Usually, when I'm coaching people who wants to get promoted, who wants to find new job, etc. on LinkedIn, I'm telling them there is one side effect, and it's the fact that you can actually start your own business with LinkedIn, because this happened to me and it can also happen to you. If you are looking for a job, being an employee, and you start with LinkedIn, you can land a job, but you can, as a side effect, also start your own business. And this exactly happened to me, that I started my personal brand, and within 1 year I landed my first client, which was also my dream employer, and it was European Commission who reached out to me and they asked me if I can open a company and actually provide them my services because they saw on LinkedIn what I can do. And this can be also your case. So let's take a look at how you can remove this open to work frame, but still be open to work, and that also the hiring managers can see it for you. So let's start. So if you added the open to work frame on LinkedIn and now you want to remove it, maybe you got a job or you just don't want it showing anymore. Let me show you exactly how to turn it off in seconds. So first, how to remove the open to work frame. So go to your profile and click on your profile photo. So here we select frames, and now we can select one of the frames that you probably have there. So for example, open to work, and what we want to do is we want to click on original. So because this is how we remove it, and we click on apply so that the green open to work ring disappears instantly. Also, what if I want to remove it but still be open to work, so that hiring managers can still reach out to me, but I don't want to actually show it on my profile immediately? So this is exactly how you do it. You click on the pencil here, you set up what you are interested in which specific industry, job titles, if you are like flexible, casually looking, and this is how you can set the visibility. So for example, here you use recruiters only, and therefore recruiters will see that you're open to work for these specific industries and these specific types, and you will not have it on your profile with this horrible green frame. Of course, if green is not part of your brand, if it's part of your brand, then it might be a nice addition. Important tip: if you don't want the public to see you are job searching but still want recruiters to know, you can switch to recruiters only instead of fully deleting it. This keeps things discreet. So I hope that this was really useful for you, and you know right now how to actually be open to work without having this horrible green frame on your profile. And if you want that to learn more about the strategies on LinkedIn, then you can go to marialevy.com and learn more about Digital Business College. There are limited spots, but you can be on waiting list. You can reach out to us if there is more spots. It's a really narrow, 10 people per cohort. So definitely get in touch also on LinkedIn, Marisa Metsnikova. And if you write me that you're coming from this exact episode, I will give you 30 minutes of analysis for free of your LinkedIn profile, what is its potential and how you can put it on another level to reach the opportunities that you want, either be it promotion, new employment, or for example, more customers, more clients for your business. And subscribe here on YouTube, and I will see you next time. Bye.